Hello, I'm John Argent. Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing the 40 questions. Well, here we'll jump right into it. Do I put ketchup on hot dogs? Sometimes, not like on a chili dog or anything like that. Choice of soda. I really don't drink soda, or we Midwesterns call it pop, not soda, but Sprite. No, I don't own a gun. Nothing against that though. Can I swim? Barely. Hot dogs or cheeseburgers? Oh, definitely cheeseburgers. Favorite type of food? God, all of it. But choose one type. I think seafood. Do I believe in ghosts? No. What do I drink in the morning? Coffee. Can I do 100 push-ups? I probably could 20 years ago. Now, I'd be lucky to do like 30. Favorite time of the year? Spring. Favorite hobby? Well, these. But other than coins, I golf, play bass guitar, tattoo. I have one tattoo. That's, if I can see it, that's that. It's supposed to be an owl. Yes, I wear glasses. Do I have a phobia? Not really. Not real fond of heights, but I wouldn't call it a phobia. I don't really have a nickname. 3 favorite drinks. Oh man. Beer, wine, and coffee. I'm not really a fan of blue cheese. Rain or snow? Rain. Yes, I can change a tire. Favorite flower? Roses. Yeah, I can drive a stick. I started driving on, I believe it was a 1984 Escort with a stick. That was interesting. Never been skydiving. Well, that's on the bucket list though. No kids. Favorite color is blue. Yes, I'm employed. I can kind of whistle. I mean, I can, not real loud. Oh, favorite vacation. Wow. Well, when I was a kid, we went up to Copper Harbor. That was fun. Siblings, yes, I have one younger brother. Surgeries, had all my teeth removed and dentures. And I also had a polyp in my ear when I was a kid. Other than that, no. Shower. Last song I listened to, Bob Seger, Main Street was on the car earlier today. Broken Bones? Nope. Knock on coin roll, man. How many TVs are in your house? 2. Worst pain? God, there's a few that I call the worst. I mean, I took, when I was maybe about 11 or 12, I built my own bicycle ramp and tried to run up it on my bicycle and took a bad spill and broke a tooth and bruised myself up really good. That's probably number 1. Do you like to sing? No. That's my mother is still alive and my father. 3 things I did today. I haven't done much today. Got up, I talked to my mom about a few things. Um, I did the dishes today. Just cleaning up a little bit today, taking it easy. What do I like to watch on TV? I really don't watch TV a lot, but when I do, I watch like Curiosity Stream documentaries and movies once in a while, like sci-fi Love Star Wars and Star Trek. Pumpkin or pecan? Oh, definitely pecan. All right, I'm going to tag 3 people who will play. We're going to go with Justin Bussman, StarbuckJeff and Coins, and Michael Kittle. Well, thank you for listening, and like the video and subscribe to the channel. See everyone next time.